So our business management portfolio shares a common first year, and what that means is you get the benefit of understanding all the core areas of business, so you've got a genuine understanding of the different functions and the different departments of business, preparing you for that real world. And after the end of that first year, you can continue on the path you've chosen, or decide actually you've got a new passion for a different subject and change seamlessly.
Events management is one of our more specialist business degrees. The degree itself is so specialist, and that's one of the real advantages to this event management degree. It's a very specific skill set that we help students to develop. The advantage of the event management degree in that regard is that it prepares you for being a very specialist professional within an organisation. However, because of the way we've designed the programme, our students can then take that event management skill set and move it across into general marketing or business management, retail management, a wide range of different sectors, which is a lovely advantage to having that very specialist skill set.
Event management has always been like a dream for me, because I would like to see people's dreams come true. I liked that ARU was a new university and it's local to where I live, and saw the opportunity and I thought I'm going to take that opportunity.
The advantage of the degree here at ARU Peterborough is that from very early on we ask our students to work with clients, and the idea of that is that when they then finish their degree, they've not only got their degree, they have a portfolio of work that they've produced, whether that's in terms of the marketing promotion or supporting some of the administrations or risk assessments or research side of the role. So that's the real advantage, is the portfolio of work that the students develop alongside their degree.